Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use stop limit on Webull. First, understand that a stop limit order is a powerful tool for managing risk in your trading. It combines two key components, a stop price and a limit price. This order type helps protect your investments by automatically triggering a trade when a certain price is reached, but only within your predefined boundaries. It's crucial for disciplined trading. To place a stop limit order on Webull, begin by navigating to the trade screen for the specific stock you wish to trade. Once there, you'll see various order types. Select Stop Limit. Next, you'll need to input two critical values, your stop price and your limit price. The stop price triggers the order, and the limit price sets the maximum or minimum execution price. Let's clarify the difference between the stop and limit prices. The stop price is the trigger point. Once the market price hits this level, your limit order becomes active. The limit price, however, is the specific price at which you are willing to buy or sell, or better. For example, if selling, your limit price is the minimum you will accept. Always set your limit price to allow for realistic execution. Stop limit orders provide significant advantages, offering precise control over your trade execution and helping to prevent substantial losses, especially in volatile market conditions. They are an excellent tool for risk management, allowing you to set your boundaries clearly. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Using these orders effectively can greatly enhance your trading strategy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.